Hey, welcome back to Electrically Constructed. I'm Master Electrician Seth Eckel, and this is our 8th video of our box fill calculation series. This is going to be on support fittings, and this is going to be a short video, so it might be a good day to go back and review some of the other videos and practice some code calculations, or just review and highlight and take some notes in your code book. All right, let's get going and get our code books out. Right, so let's open our books to 314.16b3 support fitting fill. All right, I'm going to get out my highlighter and I'm going to highlight 3 support fitting fill. All right, and this one says where one or more luminary studs or hickeys are present in a box, a single volume allowance in accordance with table 314.16b4 shall be made for each type of fitting based on the largest conductor present in the box. All right, so this is a pretty easy one to understand. Let's highlight where, let's see here, table 314.16b4, highlight that. Where one or more luminary stud or hickeys are present. Let's do luminary stud or hickeys are present in a box, a single volume allowance. Let's highlight that whole thing. Okay, so we have hickeys. This is what a hickey looks like. It helps support the luminary inside of a box. You have studs. Studs look like kind of like a threaded rod, but it's hollow. It goes all the way through. You have other support fittings that will hold up luminaries, ceiling fans, anything that's supporting your device inside of a box. It needs to have some volume. It's taking up room in the box. You got to add some volume to it. But it's pretty simple. It's not taking up a lot of volume. It's only taking up one conductor allowance of the largest conductor in the box. So basically, let's open up our table here. What that's saying is if there's a hickey in there, or this hickey, if it's in that box, it's going to take up a wire allowance. Like if you have number 12s in there and you have number 14s in there, I like to use that as an example a lot because you run a lot of 14s and 12s, but yeah, if that's in the box, the 12 gauge wire is what's going to trump the size in that box. So this would be considered one wire in that box, which would be 2.25 cubic inches of volume. Same thing with the stud here, or any other type of support fitting that would be in that box. It would take up one wire. So if I have a hickey, I got a stud, and I got any other type of support fitting in that box, then each one of those will take up one wire allowance of the largest wire in that box. If I have multiple studs, multiple hickeys, for whatever reason in that box, you only have to count one of them. Okay, so it's not more than one, but each one is considered its own wire if it's inside that box. But that's it. That's pretty basic, pretty simple rule to follow there. So yeah, that is it for support fitting fill. In the next video, we are going to go over terminal block fills. All right, and that's going to be our final video in the box fill calculation series. I know this one's short, made it nice and simple for you guys. Stay sharp. Never stop learning. God bless. See you in the next video.